Well, as a support admin, I have set up a knowledge base in my brand's help desk. My team has published a good number of help articles and FAQs in it. It is up and running now. But is this enough, or should I do something new to get more value out of the knowledge base? If this question ever crossed your mind, then this video is definitely for you. Once you've introduced a self service portal, it is essential to contribute regularly to maintain it. It is important to increase the adoption of knowledge base into your support habits to get the maximum value out of it. Why should you increase the adoption of knowledge base? When you keep the knowledge base active, you can provide instant answers to customer questions, thereby decreasing the incoming ticket volume. You can reduce the stress on your support team since only questions that need personalized attention come to them. You can serve a global customer base without a global team available 24/7. You can ensure your content is relevant by soliciting and processing customer feedback about your knowledge base. Without constant efforts to maintain the knowledge base, organizations lose all the anticipated benefits of having a self service portal in the first place, like lowered support costs and improved customer satisfaction. So, what can you do differently? How can you increase the adoption of your knowledge base? Well, you can include these four simple steps into your support routine to help you achieve it. Create an extensive knowledge base of content. You can identify the commonly occurring issues to create content about. Just go through recent tickets to identify a pattern. Once you've identified a commonly occurring problem, check whether it can be solved by the customers themselves. This way, you find a useful topic to write about, which will help you optimize your support efforts. Organize the content under proper category. Click on the KB tab and go to Manage KB. You can create a new category here. Category is a top level folder in your knowledge base and it is linked to a department. Also, when you create a new department, the associated category gets added to the knowledge base. You can add multiple sections underneath a category to organize your articles. So now when you're creating new content, you can put them under the right folder, which will make your knowledge base look more put together. Add appropriate article tags to your content. Adding these tags will make your article show up when your customer is searching for it in your help center. These tags also pull up relevant solutions when your agents respond to tickets. So this will help you keep your knowledge base relevant and up to date. Make your content easy to find. The point of having an active knowledge base is to attract customers towards it and reduce the ticket volume. So it is important to make your content easier to find by the search engines and your customers. Add SEO friendly meta title, meta description, and meta keywords. Before you publish an article, take a minute to add a meta title. This is the title that is displayed on the search engine results. And this could be different from your content title. You can optimize a meta title by understanding the customer's perspective, since this is what they're going to see in their search engine results. Meta description is a summary of the content. This needs to be compelling enough so that a customer will click on it. Meta keywords just highlights what to expect out of the article. Bonus tip, keeping the meta titles in a question format will appease both search engine bots and your customers. Embed your knowledge base within your website or app. The ASAP add-on from Zoho Desk makes your help center available within quick reach for your end customers. It is a web add-on which can be easily embedded to your website. Click on Setup. You will find ASAP under Channels. You can create a web add-on here and make it appear as an icon on your website. Give a name to the add-on. Choose the department from which information must be displayed. Select the modules that you want to make available through the ASAP add-on. Choose an authentication method for your users. Once you have created the ASAP add-on, simply copy the code snippet and paste it before the closing body tag in your website's HTML source code. ASAP helps you bring solutions a bit closer to the problems. Now your help articles are a click away from your customers. ASAP attracts an audience to your knowledge base, and it also enhances customer experience. Refer your content in your responses. Now that your knowledge base is loaded with useful information, the next step is to increase its usage. The best way to increase visitors to your articles and to identify glitches in knowledge base is to make a lot of cross links and use it across your responses. Add a link to your knowledge base article when you send a response to a support ticket. Give a link to the relevant article when you're interacting with a customer in your community channel. This way, other customers with the same question can also access the same help article and get their answer. Additionally, you can also try to link to your content from email templates. Click on Templates under Customization. You can add a new email template here. Give a link to a knowledge base article. You can use this email template in relevant workflow automations. Including the help articles in everyday work will increase the usage of your knowledge base and also help your agents understand how their contribution can be useful. Keep updating and refining your content. Identify the gaps and fix them. You can rewrite some articles and recreate some videos based on some insights. Article Insights. Click on the KB tab. And select an article. Under the Insights tab, you will find various metrics corresponding to this article. This will let you know how useful the article really is. Knowledge Base Dashboard. It is also available under the KB tab. It provides you with the top level metrics over different time periods like a week, a month, or over a year. You can update the top 10 FAQs and plan the future content calendar using these insights. This will help you maintain consistency in delivering high quality support. Google Analytics Dashboard. It will give you insights on how your customers are interacting with your self-service portal. Not just Google Analytics, you can also leverage other integrations for added benefits using knowledge base. For example, integrating a marketing campaign tool like MailChimp with Zoho Desk will allow your marketing teams to actively use the articles for their lead nurturing campaigns. Discuss these 4 simple steps with your agents in your next team meeting and watch your knowledge base power up. Thank you for watching this video and reach us out if you have any question. Stay tuned for more such content.